You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.
So your daughter is working.
How can you forget so soon? Was it not last February she passed out from NYSC? And I told you that the company retained her.
Hey,
have you forgotten?
Oh, it's true, my dear. Hey, you have only one daughter, right?
Of course, yes.
But you told me earlier this year that she was getting married or something like that.
My sister, oh. This world, I don't know what this world is getting to. I told you that now. But her husband's secretary seduced him in the office. And the worst is that she became pregnant for him.
Hey.
Oh, you can imagine what the rest of the story is. My pretty, my queen. She was broken-hearted. I don't know.
Why is she?
My dear, she just took leave from her office to come and relax with us a bit. At least to change environment.
That is very necessary.
Yes, my dear, is so painful.
But Ijele, now that she's around, at least to help her ease off this horrible pain. Don't you think it will be fine for her to participate in this dance competition?
You're right, oh. You know, it didn't really occur to me, oh. You're right. Maybe I will be able to discuss with her and convince her.
Who knows? She might win. And I will lose in Ogo.
Ogo. Lolo. Me, Ogo. Will I be able to be in-law to Igwe Umobu?
Here. Oh, just the same here. We've been friends for a long time.
I know that. Everybody knows that.
I
hope I'll be able to do
Let's
that.
go and eat. And the first time that Ijele didn't
remember important things.
Let's go.
I'm getting old too.
You know I'm older than you.
Hello. Hi. I've seen it before, and I'm seeing it again. Only a queen is needed. Any question before I proceed?
Yes, ma'am. I have a question. Yes, the prince is not entitled to more than one wife.
Of course he is.
But excuse me, ma'am.
Yes?
You just said there is only one queen that is needed.
Only one queen is needed. But the prince pick the second best if he wants to. Now that I have answered your question, I hope to proceed. You all know that I'm a lecturer in our state university in music and art department. A historian too. That is why I am knowledgeable enough in the issues that concerns music and dance, known as kinetics. In the olden days, a young maiden's energetic body movement while dancing shows that she can withhold any stress that comes out from marriage. First, she moves her waist energetically showing that she can make love whenever her husband needs her. And also strong in childbearing. Her head swings from one area to the other. That shows that her head is strong enough to fetch or carry any sizable pot of water or firewood. Her legs light on the ground, meaning that she is not too heavy to lift. Now, the competition will be in 2 stages. Firstly, preliminary stage, where you will be grouped. A leader is appointed for each group. The importance of this is for orderliness. Remember, everybody is a potential queen. At the end of the preliminary stage, 5 persons, 5, will be chosen for the next event, which will be the second and the biggest of it all. Thank you, and God bless.
Thank you.
Hi.
Hello, good afternoon.
Yes, I'm looking for Her Majesty.
She's inside, she will take it.
Thank you. Hey. I'm serious. His silence towards every effort I've made to start up a conversation with him is beginning to make me run crazy. Do you think this will work?
What kind of cowardly question is that, coming from the mouth of the daughter of Ijele? Huh? What kind of question is that? You sound so full of fear that your cries of woe irritate me.
I'm sorry, Mom. Just that I've tried my very best, but I just can't seem to penetrate his high walls.
Then you use the power of a woman. Yes. The power of a woman is stronger than the strongest Goliath.
Tell me, Mom.
Every man has his weak points. It is for the woman to discover what the weak points are. And when you discover them, you become like a pen in the hands of a small warrior that causes commotion in the territory of the enemy.
Tell me, Mom, what's that weak point?
That's an intelligent question. Well, there are 3, but I'm going to tell you one. You know what it is? His stomach.
And what are the rest?
Oh, that's for Mom alone. Well, let's talk about this prince issue. See, I'm sure you will win. Amarachuku, are you as confident as I am?
I'm a very good dancer.
Oh, my dear, you need more than just dance steps to win. You need to add the power of a woman. Because as it is now, you, Amarachuku, we are the only one that has direct access to the prince.
I don't understand. Besides, did you tell the queen I had a heartbreak?
Oh, yes, I did. Oh, did she ask?
Not ask. She mentioned it and I was short of words.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I needed to tell her the reason why you came to the village. I just made it up.
It's okay. It's okay. The power of a woman. Tell me.
Okay. Let's talk about this. Power of a woman. A woman's way of dressing.
She knows now. My dear, imagine those girls for our state universities.
Can you imagine their guts? Those girls, they've got guts, so. Now what?
Thinking they were shiners.
For where? Wait. Now because we take this village abi. Imagine those girls, so stupid girls like them. My dear, as for me, as you see me like this, I'm waiting patiently for the day I will lay my hand on one of those stupid universities.
I say we go tear them now. I say we go tear them. No, you don't try. I would not tear. I go tear that person.
I'm making a point now, but you're refusing to see reasons what I'm saying.
What point? Huh? What point? Oh, is it a problem that I try to express myself?
When we decided to make each girl step, we tied on 2 minutes, 2 per person. But you just get up there and take up to 7 minutes, only you.
Hey, Udoka. So, even if I want to stay there and dance for 10 minutes, I ask you again, so?
What do you mean, so? Chineme, you were there when the Nwegwu said that the stipulated time of dance for each group is 12 minutes. Oh no, but when you get up there and spend 7, 8 or more, how much more time do people like us have to showcase ourselves? We want to be noticed too, you know. We do want to be noticed.
Should I tell you the problem? Stop there. You are simply jealous of me. You're simply jealous. Is it my fault that I dance better than all of you put together? Is it my fault?
Jealous of who? Me? You? It's yours. Me jealous of you. You're just such a drama queen. You like to blow things out of proportion. And oh, for someone who wants to be the queen of this land with this attitude, wow.
Thank God you know I dance better than all of you put together. And that I would be the next queen of this land. Doka, you dey vex? Wait for me now.
Daddy.
Yes, my dear.
This dance is getting tougher than I expected. Very stressful too.
Don't be discouraged, my daughter, okay?
Daddy, a lot of girls are competing in this dance.
And my little princess is afraid she will lose. Come on, come here. My daughter. Nothing good comes easy. I want you to put in your best. And then later, I will visit Nwegwu on your behalf.
Kene, what is wrong with you? Eh? Won't you take things easy? Sit down. Whatever it is, sit down and talk to me. I can't understand why Amara will not be with me here in this period of her leave. I personally went to her manager and I explained everything. I told him why this leave is necessary. Suddenly, Amara just told me she wants to be with her parents.
Parents? How do you mean she went to see her parents? Are they sick or what?
That was how she presented it. She told me she was going for a brief visit. Mom, it's almost 3 weeks now. She's nowhere. The worst is that if I called, she failed to return my call, Mom.
Have you considered paying her a visit in her village?
Actually, I was about going to see her today before Barrister Maxwell sent for me.
What did he say?
Nothing much, just reminding me about Dad's will, you know. That remind me of the statement that says that if I fail to marry on or before my 35th birthday, I will lose my inheritance.
I know, but don't worry. Everything will be alright.
Everything will be alright? Yes. You don't understand. All my company trips abroad have been postponed and cancelled. My contracts are suffering. My foreign investors are leaving us. Mommy, don't you understand?
It's okay. Just calm down. Eh? I believe with God everything will be fine. You know what? You have to invite her over. Or you go and see her.
I gave her a call immediately I left the barrister's office. No, she promised to come, but who knows whether she will come?
She will come. Just relax your mind. Okay?
Yeah, it was an awesome experience. At first I didn't really like it, but yeah, bring it here. You know, I didn't really enjoy it the first time, but gradually it was just, it kept on getting. Are you alright?
No.
What is it?
I just feel so terrible.
Wait, calm down. What's wrong?
Life is so unfair, Your Majesty. Life is just so unfair.
Alright, calm down. Okay, life is not usually fair to anybody in particular, but you just have to move on.
Life is unfair to me in particular. Life has never been fair to me.
Look, calm down. What's wrong?
You won't believe this. My boyfriend just broke up with me because of his secretary.
Oh.
That's just the tip of the iceberg. Can you believe she's pregnant for him?
Oh my God, that's unfair. I mean, how could you do such a thing? It's wrong. Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. But you just have to move on, right? It's not like it's the end of the world, right?
Yes, Your Majesty, I'm trying to move on. I mean, that's why I took leave from work, so I could just get away and stop thinking about the whole thing.
Yeah.
My mother suggested I come for the dance, so I could be distracted a little bit. But why would make me so stupid, Your Majesty? Why would he do that to me? I feel so
Wait. Don't worry, you'll be fine, okay? Just,
I mean, really, just feel my heart. Feel my heart.
Emma, can you just sit here, okay? Cool. Take it easy, you'll be fine.
Oh, Your Majesty, I feel so terrible. I mean, I feel so bad.
Emma, you'll be fine, alright? It's okay. You'll be fine.
My heart just beats and is aching so much.
I understand there. Can you just slow down? Slow down. You will be fine.
Oh my goodness.
Emma, wait. You'll be fine. Okay? You'll be fine. Can you just slow down, alright? You'll be fine. Alright? It's not like it's not the end of the world.
Yes, you're right. Your Majesty, can't be the end of the world.
Okay. Wait. Slow down. Let me get something inside. I'll be with you, okay?
Your Majesty.
Yeah.
Your Majesty.
You mean this stupid Dikeh of a boy sent for you to come over? For what now?
Do I know? He said he wants to see me so we can discuss marriage discussions or planning. Whatever he calls it, I don't care. All I know is that the prince has started becoming fond of me.
Tell me more, Biko.
Mom, do you know the prince has once had a heartbreak? You need to hear his story. I felt pity for him.
Enough of all that. You want to feel pity, compassion or what? Look, Amara, you must be careful the way you feel for men before you end up not accomplishing your set goals, which is his heart.
Mom, I was only reciprocating the feeling. You know, he feels very bad that my fiancé cheated on me and had his secretary pregnant.
Hi!
You're just a genius.
You won't try me.
Latest news.
About this your visit to Ekene, or whatever his name is. Try to make it very brief. As brief as you can. No pity, no compassion, nothing. Make it as brief as you can.
It's very brief. No pity, no compassion.
Always bear in mind the crown ahead of you.
I see the crown already. Let me finish with your fingers so I can quickly go and change.
Make it very brief. Yes. As brief as you can.
Very brief, Mom. And I'll leave tomorrow morning very early. I'll make it as brief as possible.
If possible, come back the same tomorrow.
Mom.
I've had my own.
What do you mean you have postponed our wedding? To when, if I may ask? You're out of your mind. Something has gotten into you. What have they done to you back in the village?
Please, don't refer that way to my people. Don't talk about my parents like that. I
So
don't like
what explanation should I give to your sudden change of character and attitude?
What do you mean sudden change of character and attitude?
Oh no, you know I hate pretense. You just walk in here giving me a cold shoulder. Is it my calls that you don't answer or not replying my text messages? How you have changed.
The reason I'm here is to answer to all your calls and messages. That's why I'm here. People change and so do their decisions.
What do you mean that people change and so do their decisions?
I have changed and so is my decision to marry you.
No.
It is over. No. No.
I'm not gotten to that. Amara, sit down now.
Don't patronize me. I say I'm no longer interested. No! Don't call my name! I said no! Please, I'm begging you in God's name. I'm no longer interested.
What is going on here? I said, what is going on here?
Good afternoon, Mama. I actually came to inform your son that I'm no longer interested in marrying him.
What? What happened?
It's the latest news in town, Mama. They're actually grooming me to marry the Igwe of our town. That's the latest news. So I came to inform Ekene that I'm no longer interested in marrying him.
Amara Chukwu? Amara! This is unbelievable.
I know, it is. But the earlier both of you try to believe it, the better. Because there's no time. And there's no time.
I don't get you.
Okay. And it's two of you don't get me. So let me give you time so that you can get to understand what is happening. Oh, Mama, thank you very much. Ekene, careful. Oh, that's the latest news in town. Careful, Ma.
Huh? We, mere commoners. What insolence?
I can't just believe this. You said you told your fiancé what?
My ex. My ex. My goodness. How does that even concern you?
Anyway, it's not my concern, okay? But the Bible says we should be our brothers.
Thank you. Don't bother keeping me. I am safely kept in the bosom of Igwe Ugonna. Okay?
Yes, ma'am. Tell that girl that's the right word. But seriously, Amara. So very soon, you'll be traveling all over the world just for shopping.
My sister.
Girl, I envy you. I wish I was the one.
You should.
Amara, do you know what? I don't envy you a bit. I pity you. Because...
Enough! What's wrong with you? What's your problem?
You don't need to get upset. You talk like you don't know Isioma. She's all borrow. Heavy one. All borrow. Abeg, give me gist. How far with you and Prince?
Juliet. He's so handsome. He's so cute. I think I'm in love. I've got to be. I'm sure I'm in love. I love him.
Amara, so the Prince and Ekene, is there any comparison?
How can you compare? That is long neck. You can't compare. You just can't compare.
Makachuk said, girl, I still maintain. If I get any opportunity, grip like this, with speed, I'll dump that if I can my boyfriend.
What are you talking about? You're getting married next month.
Shut up!
Please, you're getting married next month. You're talking like this.
Hey!
How do you know?
What's that?
Whose call are you avoiding?
Ekene's mother.
Break the scene. Break it. Give me, let me flush it here. I'm very close. Bring it. Break it. Bad news.
Amara, why are you doing this? Dikeh, at least give this woman a respect.
Hey,
Akoko, please help me. Help me, please.
Approach.
Thank you.
Approach.
Hello. Hello, ma.
Hello. Amarachi, why are you doing this to my only son? Eh? Why are you endangering his life?
This is Isioma, Amara's friend.
Where is Amara? I need to talk to her. It's a matter of urgency.
No, just give me the message. I'll get back to her when she comes back.
Anyway, tell your friend that my son is hospitalized at Salem Hospital because of her. And if anything happens to my only son, if anything happens to my son, the God I'm serving will fight her anywhere she is. Tell her that.
Okay, ma. Okay, ma. I'm sorry, ma. Hello? Hello?
Look, what did she say?
Amara, your fiance is hospitalized.
For what?
You asked me for what?
This God is good, though. All the time. This God is very good. All the time. That means I would have married a complete woman. He's sick now.
I pity both of you. May God have mercy upon both of you. See, first thing tomorrow morning, I'm going to see the husband, okay?
Thank God for the prince.
But God is good, though. Do you know?
Very good. All the time.
You feel is hospitalized.
Is God not good?
God is good.
Is God not good?
Yeah, Amara, I want to thank you for always coming around to see me. You know, in spite of your very tight rehearsal schedule.
You're welcome, Your Majesty.
So, this your dance thing. What sort of dance is it?
Oh, come on. Don't tell me you don't know anything about it.
Not really, but I was just wondering what kind of dance would run my heart, you know? Yeah. You know, my father was a lover of music and dance. Yeah, and I was told that my mom used to organize a dance troupe and, you know, they would always dance for my father.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
No. Well, Your Majesty.
Yeah.
Talking of dance, it's obvious you don't fancy dance at all.
Not like I don't fancy it, you know, but folk is not really my thing. Yeah, hip-hop, I'm cool with it.
Oh, so why would Your Majesty sing so I can dance? Let me just show you a little bit of what we do back there at the rehearsal ground.
Okay, all right, cool.
Okay, we usually, I'm so sorry, Your Majesty. I'm sorry.
Wait. Can you move? Wait. Just
sorry.
dance, okay?
Yeah, but they teach us lots of things. You just don't see those dance and all those things you see in all those music, Your Majesty. We do lots of dance too here. I mean, they teach us too. You know. Oh, Your Majesty. I'm just trying to show you what we do at the rehearsal ground. I'm just trying to show you the dance.
Oh, Sam, baby. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
What is that, Your Highness? Why are you calling me Sam? What is going on here? Your Highness, what's going on? You're the one who invited me here yourself.
Oh, just shut up! You seduced me!
I mean, why would you use such harsh words on me? You're the one who invited me here. And then look at what you said to me. I'm so ashamed of myself, Your Majesty.
Oh, okay, all right. okay? I'm sorry, okay? Please, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to make you cry. Just... Can you just leave, please? Oh, okay, alright, fine. You can use the bathroom. Don't cry. Just go. Alright? Just go, please. Go. You go use the bathroom. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Your Majesty, I wouldn't use such harsh words.
Look, can you just go, please? Can you just get...
It is so terrible.
Just go.
Just go. Your Majesty, Your Majesty.
Look.
Oh, Your Majesty. Oh, Your Majesty. Latest news. Your turn has passed. Please leave so we can come and rehearse. Oh, yes.
No, don't come again, no.
Now, wow.
Hey.
Leave.
Yellow fever.
Go. Please, I beg. Fast beats. How may we help you?
Oh, intelligent question. Now, I want you and your group to vacate this space so that I and my group can rehearse. We did not come here to play.
Hey! Hey! Chimo. Macho, I've suffered. Such insolence.
Insolence.
Tell me the latest news. Who are you?
I am Chineme, daughter of Oji Ikemezwe. And do you have a name?
I am Mama Dikeh, daughter of Dikeh, husband to his jailing wife, friend to Her Majesty, Lolo
Tell her.
Mother to the son of the throne apparent. That's who I am.
Oh, really? Oh, now I see. So because you are daughter to the friend of Her Majesty, whose son is the reason why we all are gathered here. You feel you can just come in here and move around with this overbearing attitude?
It's not
Please, need I tell you, you have a serious attitude problem.
Are you talking to me like that?
Need I remind you, Miss Arrogance, that no one here is superior to another person. Besides the fact that you have an affiliation, whether or not you have an affiliation with the prince, I do not care. Oh, girls, do you care?
No!
What? Wait, loser. I would advise you to go settle down, learn the steps, and show everybody what you have on the D-Day. That is if you will even move to the next level, rather than trying to sneak in through the back door. You stupid. Are you crazy? Are you crazy?
Amara, it's okay. It's okay.
What nonsense? Eh? Is that why they tore your dress? Now tell me, who did this to you?
I don't know the particular person. There were many, so I can't pinpoint who.
Anyway, don't worry. I think I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to get you bodyguards.
Yes, Mom, I think I need bodyguards because now I have an edge over them.
An edge? Are you talking about the prince?
Yes.
Come on. Come on, tell me. Now, come on, take your money. See that? Come on. That's it. Are you serious?
No, I'm shy.
That's okay. I have always known that I have a bold daughter.
Yes.
Good. See what I mean by woman's power?
Yes.
Come on. Now I think you need cold bath and hot food.
Yes, Mom.
Come on. Let's go.
Nobody should dance. Madam alone should be the only person to dance. This is the dance. Nobody should dance. Madam, come to dance. I said, Madam and Madam group should dance. If not, I'll kill somebody here.
Macho, I'm telling you, those girls fine. Those girls fine. My head one scatter. In fact, I want to marry one of them. You see that one? The eyes does like this. You understand? The roll is very unstable, like fuel price. You know? Oh come on,
Ross. If nobody say my senior have insulted now, which can get? Which of them find there? Which girl find there?
You insult me? What? Oh, see, no insult me again. No, don't you dare insult me. Do you know who you are talking to?
I don't hear.
Look, you want to incur the wrath of the ancestors? Their ears are open, and they can listen to this your transmission by Bluetooth. They just come and give you power and you die. But for insulting me, I don't want to lose you. You know you are my only brother. So talk to me with respect. All you should be asking me is, why do you want to embark on this kind of thing?
Tell me now, why you want to marry that girl?
You see, this our tradition. You know, all of those girls now they go and dance in the dancing festival. It is only one person that will win. Now, when one person wins, Macho, what happens to the others? Is it not me that will take them? And I have to.
Sharp one.
I know that girl, that rolling eye, this thing, she will not win. I'll marry her from there.
See your bro. You get good intention.
Before, I have good intention. That is it. Look, let me tell you something. I'm a graduate. Now, if I combine my graduateness with these other girls, some of them, you know, they could be working in oil company. You know, some they could be bankers. If I combine my graduateness and their own graduateness, piam, and we raise a family, I'm telling you, when we born children, the money will reflect on the children. You see them roll, they'll be bouncing like tennis, bouncing baby boy. That is it.
They tell me more, Mr. Lecturer. They talk.
You are not interested in this lecture.
Yes. You're married.
Yes, serious.
You're married.
I'll just
keep quiet. So my wife has employed both of you to gather girl you are old enough to be the fathers. Sometimes I wonder what your problems really are.
No, okay, we'll not get problem. I said we'll not get problem.
Keep quiet.
Bros, we get problem.
No, we don't have problem. It is only your daughter that has insecurity.
Keep quiet. May I remind you that you are wasting your lives. Look at the kind of jobs you are doing.
Okay, we like him.
I pity your father.
Don't hear.
Come. I'll just give you kung fu. You don't know me. Leave me. Let me show this man.
Oh, I don't say you. I must do over. What do you wait?
It is vibrating.
No, go. Leave that up.
Calm down.
Take within this man.
Listen
talk.
to
Take within
me.
this man talk.
Mommy, Kenny, let me go back to the office.
No, my dear, you don't have to say that. At least come inside and take something.
Mommy, some other time, okay? I took permission from the office and the time I was given has elapsed. Okay?
It's okay. But you must come back.
Yeah, I will. It's okay. Okay, take care of yourself, okay?
Summer, thanks a lot. I would have loved to see you off, but I'm very weak. Thank you very much.
Oh, the whole injection you took. Don't worry, okay? I'll be fine.
Thank you, my dear. Take care of yourself.
Thank you. See you soon.
Yes, Amara.
Your Majesty.
I don't intend to take much of your time. I sent for you because I want to apologize for what happened the other day. Honestly, I'm really very sorry.
Your Majesty, you don't have to apologize to me. Honestly. I mean, it wasn't like you raped me. What happened was with my consent, not without my consent.
Well, yeah, I know, but see, I've not been myself since then. I actually mistook you for someone else, and you see, I'm a very honest person. If I hurt someone, I apologize. I'm really very sorry.
It's okay. Yeah, I mean, it's nothing.
Sure?
Oh, sure, yes.
Okay, why don't I get you something to drink?
No, I should be on my way now.
Why? You can stay and spend some time. Alright. Okay, so where are you going then, right?
Yeah.
Thank you. Thanks for listening. Okay. You're good. You're right. Sure. Okay.
Oh.
Meet up.
Yes, meet up. Yes. Thank you. Again.
Okay. All right.
So, you went about investigating what I told you?
You know I don't have time for that. I heard the jingle in the radio some time ago. Though I didn't give you a talk until I ran into your town school president.
So, is that why you came here?
Why did you lie to me? So you went to your village to participate in a dance competition so that you'll be chosen as the next queen of your land? This is serious.
Yes, it is serious. Tony, it is very serious indeed. Now, let me ask you. If you were given the opportunity to dance, so you could be chosen as the next president of this nation, would you dance?
Shut up! I said shut up! So because I'm not a prince!
Why are you ranting as though I did not mention it to you? I told you I was going for a dance competition. We discussed it together here. I discussed it with you.
You liar. Why are you doing this to me? You know you're supposed to leave for a youth service soon. You know I love you. You know we have marriage plans. All I'm trying...
Enough of it. Anthony, enough of all the sermons. What is this now? See, if you do not have anything else to discuss, leave my house.
I should leave your house.
Oh, Anthony.
I should leave your house.
This is simple English. Read my lips. That is the door.
Chinweike, you are too strange. What's going on?
Oh, I see. Oh, you don't want to leave the house.
Chinweike, are you okay?
No, don't worry. Sit down. I will leave the house for you. I will leave the house for you. No, come and stay here. Idiot. I will not dance to win the prince.
Who are those? Compliment.
Who brought this tied goat here? And why? I said, who brought this tied goat here? And why?
Is we.
Who are the we?
That's the we.
Both of you listen and listen real good. My precious daughter is about to be crowned the queen of this land. Are you listening? Recently, some riffraffs, out of jealousy, sheer jealousy, wanted to disfigure my queen for me.
No, tremendous. It can't happen.
That is why I employed you both. Listen. If anybody, anybody, anything, whosoever, especially those riffraffs at the rehearsal arena, dares to say, pimp, or even try to lay their filthy hands on her, anything, tie the person. Are you listening to me?
I am listening. The girls, they touch your daughter, I touch them back. And tie them.
Shut up!
And tie.
I said, tie them and bring them to me. Me. Do you understand me?
Yes, I am. This job is sweet.
It's sweet too.
Oh, this is the best job in the whole wide world. I just came out, and I saw the goat. The goat just came out here. I looked at the goat. I just used my winch detecting sense and I look at it. I know it was a winch. It was following small madam. I said, no, it can't happen. I can't follow small madam. That is why I hold it and tie it and kidnap it and put inside here. See, you're underrating me. A winch detecting machine, is an added advantage to my security system.
Danger. No go now. Danger.
Madam, don't go. Don't come this side. That goat is a terrible winch, ancestral winch. See it now. Its original form was monkey. Now it changed into goat. It can change to snake and even into a human being. Are you not feeling it? The thing is dragging you and you're walking in slow motion and going. And I use my sense and draw you back. You see? Hey, you see, the goat is manifesting. It is the winch. You see the winch? See, this goat can transfer winch into your body by Bluetooth, so you have to be very careful.
But you don't see many people they jealous their daughter. Say, say the king and your daughter. The kiss.
There.
Oh.
Shut up! Shut up your dirty mouth.
Yeah, are you putting me for the winch?
But they fear winch.
Don't come out yet, Don't come out. Yes. Amen. Amen. I attack. I surrender. Oh. Yeah. Madam, on the tire. Madam, use bonnet. Steering, madam. Pour it on yourself too. You may not know whether it has transferred. Yes.
You touch it now?
Yes, 2 of us.
Did you bring it?
Winch.
I have to take my leave now, it's getting late.
Well, not before I say a big thank you for the love and care you have showered on me.
Honestly, I don't know what to say. Thanks. It's not now.
I'm trying, but I can't. Isioma, I am helpless now. I am helplessly in love with you. Yes, when I met you and your friend Amara, you were engaged, remember? But I've always had these soft spots for you. Though I was in a relationship with your friend. I mean, Isioma, I really do. Just give me the chance to show you I care. Give me the chance to express what I feel inside for you. Isioma, understand me. Please do.
Honestly, I don't know what to say. I'm confused.
Please say yes to me. Say yes to me. I need you in my life. Say yes to me.
You're my friend's friend. Say.
Oh, stop. Please don't remind me of Amara. Don't. Don't.
It's okay. Sorry. I'm very sorry. Okay.
Isioma, will you marry me? Please.
It's not my fault though. I was just sitting down in my house. And then love just entered inside my head in the dream. It do me in my head.